If Chrome is showing the ERR connection reset error on Windows 11, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few proven fixes step by step so you can get back online as quickly as possible. This error usually means something is interrupting the connection between Chrome and the website, and it can often be caused by network settings, a stuck socket pool, a proxy, or even a VPN. The good news is that these fixes are simple, safe, and easy to follow. Before we start, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful Windows and browser fix tutorials. It really helps the channel, and it lets you know when new guides are posted. Alright, let's jump right in. First, we're going to reset a few network components using Command Prompt. This is one of the most effective ways to fix connection-related issues in Windows 11. Click the Windows Start menu, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes so we can make the changes we need. Now, in the Command Prompt window, you're going to run these commands one at a time. Type the first command exactly as shown, then press Enter.net's Winsock Reset. Once that finishes, type the next command and press Enter again. Net's int IP reset. Now continue with the next command. ipconfig flush DNS. Then run this one. ipconfig release. And finally, run this last command. ipconfig renew. Make sure you press Enter after each line and wait for the command to complete before moving to the next one. These commands help reset your network stack, clear old DNS data, and refresh your IP configuration, which can often solve the ERR connection reset problem in Chrome. When all of the commands are finished, restart your PC. This restart is important because it allows Windows to fully apply the changes and rebuild the network settings properly. After your computer turns back on, open Chrome and test the website again. In many cases, this alone fixes the issue. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your proxy settings in Windows 11. Proxy settings can sometimes interfere with your browser connection without you realizing it. To open the proxy settings, use the Windows search bar and search for Proxy. Then open the Proxy Settings page in Windows. Once you're inside, look under Manual Proxy Setup. Find the option that says Use a Proxy Server and make sure it is toggled off. If it's already off, leave it that way. If it was on, turning it off can immediately fix connection reset issues caused by an incorrect proxy configuration. After that, close the Settings window and try Chrome again. Now let's move on to another common cause, which is Chrome's own network socket pool. Sometimes the socket configuration inside Chrome gets stuck, and when that happens, websites may fail to load correctly even if your internet is working fine. To clear it, open a new tab in Chrome, click the address bar, and type Chrome Net Internals Number Sockets, then press Enter. On that page, you'll see an option called Flush Socket Pools. Click that button to clear Chrome's stored socket connections. This forces Chrome to rebuild the network connections from scratch, which can resolve stubborn connection reset errors. After clicking it, go back to the broken website and reload the page. If the site still doesn't work, there's one more thing that could be causing the problem: a VPN. Active VPN software can sometimes trigger connection resets because the server handshake gets interrupted or the route to the website becomes unstable. If you're using any VPN app or browser extension, temporarily disable it and then refresh Chrome again. If the website loads after turning off the VPN, then you've found the cause. So, just to recap, the main fixes are: reset your network commands in Command Prompt, restart your PC, disable any proxy server settings, flush Chrome's socket pools, and turn off any active VPN. One of these steps usually solves the ERR connection reset error in Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more Windows, Chrome, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.